Hello guys, let me switch camera. Hello guys, my name is Victoria Pavlov. I'm digital artist, graphic designer and commercial photographer. Good to see you here guys. I wasn't stream for a long time. Hi, how are you today? Hi, good to see you here. Elizabeth, hi. What we will be doing today guys, today I will show you, I'm good as well. What we will be doing today, we will create poster using Adobe Illustrator Draw and Adobe Capture CC. We will start and finish using mobile application. We will not, hi Renee, we will not use any desktop application today. It just I will show you how we can be creative from anywhere, and we don't need to wait till we will be home or at our office or anywhere else when where we have access to our desktop or laptop. So I will switch my phone mount. I will point my phone to my computer because I connected my iPad to my computer, so it will be easier to you to see everything, because Periscope originally wasn't designed for streaming, kind of streaming like we are doing right now. Hi, but I will show you a few things. I'm here with my puppy. This is my iPad connected, and as you can see, this is my iMac. And this is my mount. So let me mount my phone. Kind of away. Let me see. I don't want, 1 second guys. I will mount so you will be able to see everything. Maybe something like that. I want to change this. Okay guys, 1 second, you will see my office, entire office. 1 second. By the way, this is my painting. It's traditional painting, not digital. Big canvas. Let me mount my phone like that. And let me flip. 1 sec guys. Like that. Perfect. And this way I will see. I will try not to miss any of your comments. Like that. Yep. Much better. It's a blurry. Let me fix blurry thing. I'm sorry for the delay guys. Maybe like that. Let me put it right here. Yes, much better. Let me bring it up. Okay, very good guys. Again, I'm sorry for the delay. I'm just trying to make it easier for you. Okay, we are here. So let me open my I will be using my iPad Pro and Apple Pencil as usual. For some reason it's blurry. Let me move it. It's blurry. I don't want anything blurry. Okay, like that. Okay, let me open application and probably it will be much better. So let me open my Adobe Draw. Yeah, it's much better. This is my last drawing with Adobe Draw. To create new project, simply click on a plus sign. And we have all buttons necessary to start and continue working on our project. We have in here all brushes, and we can control each brush separately. We have layers. We have unlimited layers. I mean, if we have 20 layers, example. Okay, Renee, see you later. Drive safe. We have, example, if we have 20 layers, we can use 19 image layers and or 19 my pleasure in and 19 drawing layers. So it's before we were limited with one drawing layer, so we have many of them right now. Let me we have by default we have one background layer. We will name it background layer, and if I want to add shape from my library, I previously used Capture to create a shape. I used pineapple and just snapped it and created beautiful shape. Also, we can create a shape in a Capture directly from drawing. So Illustrator Draw. So if we will click on Add, we will be redirected to Capture, and we can do anything we want to, as usual. So let me cancel and return. So I'm returning back to my draw. So let me add my shape I previously created. Let me zoom in, and I can choose any brush I want to. I can specify color, pick color. Let me do like this. And now I will delete my shape. If I would like to apply color to my shape, it's very easy. I will add drawing layer. I will bring this layer under my background layer, and I will use any color I want to. So let me use something like that. Any color you want to. Use your imagination, guys. So like that, and I just will color my pineapple. If you want to do a more detailed job, and you're supposed to do more detailed job, just zoom in your shape and you will be able to color more accurate. I will make it very quick. I don't want to keep you here longer than you want to be. If I'm missing any comments, guys, I'm sorry. I will answer to all your questions later on. It's very quick drawing, guys. I'm sorry for not perfection. Pineapple, and I will show you eraser tool, very helpful right now. As you can see, I went out of edge of my pineapple edge. I colored more than I wanted. What I can do, because I applied color to separate layer, I'm choosing eraser tool. I can specify size of my eraser tool. Also I can specify roundness, angle. It's absolutely perfect. Typer, pressure, if I want to apply pressure and I want to size, and velocity. Of course I want to smaller size of my eraser, and I will erase part of my image. Just like that. If I want to erase shape, I will simply click on my shape layer and I will erase a part of my shape I want to erase. See, it's very simple. I'm using layers like in Illustrator CC or Photoshop CC. And again, guys, I'm sorry it's not perfect, just because I'm trying to do it very quick. Zoom in, and just like that. You have an idea what I want to do. And right now I would like to continue working, applying my colors. So I will add empty layer, drawing layer. I'm coming back to my paintbrush, and I will choose any other color. Pick any color I want to, and just paint just like that, very quick, very simple. If you want to have more detail work, if you want to have all details in perfect way, I recommend you to zoom in your canvas. It's like Photoshop, it's like Illustrator. If you want to more detail work, you're supposed to zoom in your document. Same here. If you want detail work, you need to you must to resize your canvas, make it bigger. And again, guys, I'm making not perfect job just because it's very quick example how we can create poster using our mobile device and using Adobe free mobile applications. All applications are free, guys. Just I'm using a bigger size of my brush just because to make it quicker. I'm sure you don't want to see it and watch my pineapple coloring. So it's very quick. And because of that, I'm using bigger size of my brush. As you can see, I'm applying color to my pineapple using a layer below my shape. In that way, I preserve all borders, and I preserve original pineapple shape. So again, if I want to erase something, because obviously I made mistakes, a lot of mistakes, and I'm sorry for that. Let me color pineapple in here very quick. It's label. And also I can I will apply create an empty layer, and I will bring this layer under my green layer, and I will use another color, example red one, and I will just paint. And again, just because I'm using layer below my green color layer, below my pineapple leaves, I'm not messing up with a top layer. So it's like that. Also, guys, it's very important you can rename your layers. You can rename, example, test, layer rename. You can change opacity of your layer. You can transform your layer as you want. You can do many things with your layer. Click on layer, merge down. I would like to merge my pineapple. Merge down. So if I want to resize my pineapple, transform my pineapple, I can do anything I want to. And obviously I would like to do it right now. I will show you how. So this is my primary pineapple, and again, guys, it's not a great job. I just tried to show you how we can use shape created previously created in Capture. And right now I would like to add background, drawing layer. I will bring background layer under my pineapple, and I can use any color I want to. Just because it's summer, I would like to apply kind of summery color. And I have two options in here. I can bring a image as my background. I can color my paint my background using any of my paint brushes, or to make it faster, I can bring shape. I will resize my shape, and this is our background. Don't afraid it's look ugly right now. I will fix it. So right now we will put together our poster. Click on our pineapple, duplicate, and transform. And I will move my resize, and I can do anything I want to with my pineapple. So right now I want to bring it on top. Done. I want to resize my first pineapple. Also, I want to move and change angle of my pineapple. Now I will duplicate my pineapple, and I will use transform to change position and angle of my pineapple. Just like that. Or let me move it like this. Any questions, guys? I'm sorry again if I'm missing any of your comments. I'm just looking on my iPad. I'm sorry, I need to duplicate it first. Let me duplicate and let me transform. Like that. And again, guys, it's a very quick example. I'm not spending all time which I should spend to create nice poster, but you have an idea what I want to do. To save our time, what I would like to do right now, I would like to merge down, and I will duplicate this layer, and I will transform this layer. Let me zoom in like that. Also, I can do same, duplicate, transform, and let me bring it down and change angle. Like something like that. Okay, this is basically shape of our hi Terry. This is shape of our poster, and what we need to do right now, definitely, guys, we need to let me see. We need to apply some text. How we can do it? We are in a draw. We don't have any type tool in here, but we have an idea. So we have many ways to work with brush. So it will be like calligraphy. We can use freehand. And if you want perfect way of calligraphy, if you want to align each letter in perfect way, as what you can do, first of all, let's create new layer. It will be our top layer. To create perfect aligned text, what we need to do, we need to bring our shape tool, any tool you want to. I will use darker color. I will bring opacity down, and 1 second, and just apply some lines. And we don't need this anymore. This is, as you can see, separate layer. We can do anything we want to with this layer. And now time to have some fun. Let me bring this layer down, and I will create new layer. Let me change color of my brush, opacity 100%. We need 100% opacity. Let me change my color, and now let me see if I want to change any settings, my brush setting, like that. Yeah. And let's start handwriting. I'm sorry if it will be not in perfect way again, guys, because I'm trying not to touch my phone, so it's not comfortable position for my hand. So let's do. And again, guys, it's not perfect way because I have not comfortable position for my hand. Hello. And Let me do. And again, guys, it's not perfect, and I know that. Hello, summer. And right now, what we will do, we will delete our layer, and we have this layer highlighted. So I will transform. I will do anything I want to, as usual. Done. And let me apply, create new layer, drawing layer. I will bring this layer down. I will change color of my brush, make my brush size smaller, and just like that. And guys, I don't know if you noticed, but we're using a kind of type tool, text tool in our draw, and we are using only a free Adobe mobile application. So guys, this is our poster. Let me expand my canvas. And what you can do right now, you can, if you create a cloud subscriber, you can send to Illustrator, to Photoshop, to Clipboard, publish on Behance. I love Behance, you know that. Or you can share in any ways you want to. So guys, it's perfect, it's easy, it's quick, and you are using your mobile device only. Your mobile device and your phone, your iPad, anything you're comfortable with. Let me switch my phone camera. Okay guys, what do you think? Any questions? Thank you. I duplicated my layer. Let me show you. This is my layer example. Thank you, thank you. This is my layer. Yeah, it's easy. This is my pineapple. As you can see, I highlighted it. Duplicate. Right now, click on duplicated layer, transform, and you can do anything you want to with your layer. It's very easy. Yeah, it's easy, it's mobile. Adobe Capture CC is a very powerful application. We have there a few applications together. I don't know if you checked it or not. We have shapes, we have patterning, which is absolutely amazing. We have colors, brushes, and looks. Yes, I'm using more on my iPhone just because iPhone always with me, always in my hand. So if I think something, I'm using Capture right away to create brush or anything else. It's amazing. And when I open my iPad Pro, everything is there. And if you use pattern automatically downloading to your Creative Cloud library on your desktop. So if you want to apply pattern to your Photoshop or Illustrator, you will relaunch, you will open your Photoshop or Illustrator and you will see on your library. It's amazing and I love it, it's quick. If you want to continue working on this poster, you can, because it's Illustrator Draw, I will recommend you to continue working on this project in Illustrator. If it will be Sketch, continue working on Photoshop. But you don't need to do it, so you can start and finish using your mobile application. So guys, thank you very much. I don't know if I will have time today or tomorrow, but on this weekend for sure I will be. Yes, try it out. It's good. It's really a pleasure to work with this application. If I will have time this weekend, I will stream live my painting using my pleasure, using my Wacom Cintiq. And if you have any questions regarding my stream, just contact me via Twitter, Facebook, my pleasure, or via my website. If you need any help with Draw, just let me know. Okay guys, thank you very much. I'm very appreciated your time and I will see you next time, probably today or tomorrow. Bye guys. Thank you. Bye.